Military relocation video number 2. Are you thinking of selling your home? Homes by Westy can help you maximize your profits and reach all of your goals. Hi, I'm Westy with Homes by Westy and Abbott Realty. I have my MRP designation, which means I specialize in helping the military community when it's PCS season. We specialize in pricing it right from the start to give you an idea of what you can purchase your new property at your next location. Plus, our job is to ensure we bring the most qualified traffic and negotiate a contract with minimal contingencies, making sure that everything runs smoothly every step of the way towards closing on your home quickly and efficiently. Let us be a part of this process so that together we can save time, money, and effort, and to let you know that your sale will be handled professionally. Selling or buying a house shouldn't have to be stressful and complicated. Let Homes by Westy make it easier for you with every step of the way. Reach out today for more information about how our team of experts can help make selling or buying smoother than ever before. I'm Westy with Homes by Westy and Abbott Realty, helping people achieve their dreams of home ownership. Thank you for watching this video. If it was helpful, please share with your friends and family. Click on the subscribe button so you won't miss any future videos.